Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your spark plugs and ignition coils on a Renault Megane 1.6 litre 16 valve. This is a 2000 model. It's a really simple thing to do, so you're going to have to do it yourself. It's too simple to let it go. So here they are. These are your ignition coils. They look like that. And basically all you have to do is just press on that tab, pull it back. I've already done these three. Then you're going to use a Torx T30 bit to take off this screw here. It's really easy to do by hand. You don't need to use anything else than a screwdriver like that. Then you just have to pull on the coil and it pops out like that. The plug is down there in that well. For that you'll need a 16mm socket, spark plug socket with a bit of rubber in there that keeps it, that catches the top of the plug. It's just a little bit tough at the start, and then you can unscrew it by hand. Make sure you have a big extender like this, or a shorter one could go as well, but otherwise you're going to have a bit of trouble getting it out. So here we have the plug, the old one, the new one. This wasn't in bad condition, but apparently the coils are the problem on this car. But may as well change everything. It's really easy to do and cheap. Before putting the new plug back in, I'm going to put some copper grease on the thread, which will make it go in easily and come out as easily the next time. Spark plugs are always easier to get out than glow plugs. Glow plugs can be really hard to take out, so the copper grease is a good idea. Then to put it back in, just make sure you don't hit the tip anywhere to not change the spacing. Put it back into the well, and once it's in, screw it only by hand. If it's hard, it means you're going sideways, so don't keep going, just make sure you align it straight. When it gets really hard, use your key to tighten it up. There was this gasket, metal gasket, on the new one. I could have showed you, sorry. It was twice as thick, and when you tighten the plug in, it's gonna really get squashed. So that's why it's a bit tough, and you have to do that. The only thing is to not overdo it, because if you ruin the thread, it's going to be a whole different problem. So make sure it's firmly tightened, but really don't overdo it. Now you can take your new coil, put the screw on first, like that. You don't make it fall anywhere, and just pop it back onto the plug. Screw it back on. Plug the wire back on, and you're done. So that was a really easy thing to do. More cylinders you have, more spark plugs you're going to have, and more time it's going to take. But on this car, it's really quick and easy to do. Anyone can do it. So just get your hands a little bit dirty. You don't even get them too dirty, so that's cool. Alright, see you next time in another video, and wish you good mechanics. Cheers.